Hi everybody, let's divide 6,412 by 4. So I'm just going to click and type to put in the numbers. And as always, I encourage you to write out your multiples of your divisor. In this case, it's 4. So skip count your 4s, because when you divide by 4, it's going to be very helpful to have these out. And then I also suggest that you pause the video and give it a go on your own and just see how it goes. And then just check in and use the video to help check your work. We're going to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So first we're going to divide 6 divided by 4. How many times can 4 fit into 6? Or if I had 6 pieces of candy and I divided them among 4 friends, each friend, how many would they get? Well, they'd only get 1 each. And I'd have some left over. So do the next step to get that leftover. 1 times 4 is 4. Next, you're going to subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. I want you to think about what we would do next. We're going to bring down the 4. All right, what is our next step? If you said divide, that is correct. We're going to divide 24 divided by 4. So think about if you had, this fact triangle, but there was a 24 here. 24 divided by 4 is Or how many times can you skip count your 4 to get to 24? And the answer there is 6. Now we do 6 times 4, which happens to be 24 again. So there was nothing left over there. When you subtract, you have 0. Next, you're going to bring down the 1. Now, these are the kind of questions that always used to confuse me, but they're actually really easy. Just don't overthink it. You're going to divide. How many times can 4 fit into 1? Well, can you skip count your 4s to get to 1? No, you're already over. So you can't do it. So it's 0. So you just put the 0 up there. If you have a number that's just too small to divide up, you just put your 0 there. And then when you multiply it back down, 0 times 4 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And then bring down your 12. And now you're in a pretty good spot to go ahead and finish this up. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Multiply 3 times 4, and you get 12, which means it fits perfectly and there are no remainders. So 6,412 divided by 4 is 1,603. And 1,603 times 4 is 6,412.